welcome to Beautiful Naturally. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a hair mask for rough and damaged hair. For this, you will need 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of honey. So first blend banana, yogurt and egg together in a blender, and then add 1 tablespoon of honey to this mix and mix this very well. And now apply this mixture on your hair and keep it for minimum 30 minutes, and you can extend it up to an hour, and then wash as your normal hairstyle, and you will see an immediate effect on your hair after using this mix. So I will come to you after washing my hair and show you the effect of this mask. Hello and welcome again. So now I have washed my hair after using this mask, and my hair are incredibly soft. They are very soft and shiny. You can see my hair are very shiny and they are very soft. I really like this mask. Only thing that this hair mask doesn't do is it doesn't add any volume to your hair, so my hair look almost flat. And I haven't ironed them, I haven't used any flat iron, so my hair look pretty much straight and silky. I really like the way how my hair has turned out. And if your hair are very dry and damaged, so I will recommend it to use twice in a week, and slowly you will see that your hair texture is improving and you will love this mask. And if you don't get results like my hair, so please don't get disappointed, because I also don't get these results overnight. I have been using this hair mask, this homemade hair mask, for almost 1 year, and my hair texture has improved a lot. If I compare before and after using this mask, my hair tend to be wavy, but now they are almost straight. And I really love these hair masks, these homemade hair masks. So just try this mask and flaunt your hair. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.